Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to unlock the hidden creative power of ChatGPT to design your very own unique avatar. No coding, no design skills needed. So stick around till the end to see how it comes together. First of all, you need to come on chatgpt.com and then log in into your account. You can ask it to help you describe an avatar that fits your personality or your brand. Over here on this section, you can say something like this: create a character avatar based on a mysterious time traveler with a retro futuristic style. So this is my prompt, and here if I hit the enter, you need to wait for some time until ChatGPT gives you the full written description like the clothes, the color, hairstyle, accessories, vibe of your character. So once it gives you the description, you need to plug into the AI image generator like DALL-E. Then you can use the free tools like Binge Image Creator and Leonardo AI. Nowadays, ChatGPT also can generate the images. So if you like the image, it is well and good. But if you don't like it, you can use any other image generation softwares. There you need to paste the prompt that is given to you by ChatGPT, and then you can basically refine the prompt more and keep on doing the tweaks until you get your desirable results. So if you like this particular uh, image that is given to you by ChatGPT, you can just click on it and download it in your device. So your dream avatar brought to life with ChatGPT and a little AI magic. You can use it for your YouTube channels, gaming profiles, brand identity, anything that you want. So you can try it out and drop your creations in the comment section below. If you have found this video helpful, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of our future tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.